is terrifying.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. Actually, this footage was from the first week of 2020, before the Nashville tornadoes, before the apocalypse, Rona. So I ended up unintentionally editing this video somewhat ASMR-ish. So if that's your vibe, you're really gonna like it. Very chill vibes. So this was back when I was waking up at like 6 a.m. to take Adam to work. Simpler times when we both had jobs. That being said, I hope that during this time of quarantine that you're healthy, that your loved ones are healthy, and that you're safe. And I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it brings you peace and reminds you of some sort of normalcy. So let's get to it. Oh, it's so cold down here. I know, that was so nice, thank you. Are you warming up the car? What? Judy, do you want breakfast? Can you turn on the music for her? We'll see you in a little bit, okay? It's definitely gonna storm. Should I stay in here with the car?
Yeah.
Will you make me a coffee?
I sure will.
Thank you. Thank you. Actually, I need to go to the other side.
Yeah, you do.
I have to drive myself.
Look at how cute though.
Aww.
Pretty.
So good. Make sure it's on there good. I don't know if it's on there all the way.
Oh.
I knew it wasn't. Okay, go to the other side.
I love you.
Oh, give me a hug?
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah.
I'm cramping.
Love you.
Love you too. Bye. Alright, I'll see you. I'll pick you up at... What time do you...
3.
You'll be done by 3?
I'll be done this time.
Alright, we'll see about that. Okay, see you. Hello. Wait. Okay. Hi. very proper introduction to this video. So hello, welcome to a day in the life. Today I am getting the house ready and getting my life together to have friends over for dinner tonight. I'm really excited. It's the first time they're gonna see the new house, and I'm gonna make my lasagna, which I have the recipe up on this channel, so check it out. Or if you're watching this elsewhere, it's on YouTube. Anyway, welcome to the video. Hope you enjoy. As you saw, I introed this video and then basically recorded nothing else. Nothing else after that. But again, I hope you enjoyed the video. 2020 has been weird AF for me, as I'm sure it has been for a lot of you. In a lot of ways, I'm still just trying to make sense of a lot of things. And I hope to make like an update video for you all to kind of catch you up on life and what's going on in our lives. But for now, stay safe, stay home, wash your hands, and be easy on yourself. Much love, you guys. Bye.